Thank you for stopping by to look at what the 90 Days Business Growth Challenge is going to offer you. My name is Anne. I'm an online entrepreneur with many years in digital marketing and AI automation. So, I'm going to take you through tools that you can use in your business to help you in growing your business fast and also automating repetitive tasks in your business. So I'm going to show you how you can use tools like ChatGPT to create content and also to make it easy for you to grow your business. And I'm also going to show you how you can create chatbots or chat agents to incorporate in your social media platforms, in your websites and WhatsApp, so that you have a chatbot that talks to your customers even when you're asleep. And that means you're able to convert your prospects into buyers within a very short time. I'm also going to show you how to do faceless marketing, how to use AI to create avatars and create images that you can turn into videos that looks like you or even cartoon themed 3D, all using AI that is incorporated within the program. You'll also learn how to do ads, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Google ads, and YouTube ads. And I'm going to show you how to do targeting, retargeting, and all the strategies that I know works because I've tried and I've tested. So I have taken a lot of courses in regard to digital marketing, and I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I've learned and everything that I've been able to implement and learn. And for those of you who want to learn Pinterest marketing, how to grow your business as a blogger, as a business owner, as a freelancer using Pinterest, I'm going to take you through how to do Pinterest marketing. I'll also take you through how to use tools like Canva that will really make content creation quite easy for you, and many other tools and strategies that I'm not going to be disclosing now, but you will find out when you join the program. If you're ready to grow your business online as a freelancer and also as a business owner, this is your time to join the 90 Days Business Growth Challenge. Make sure that you sign up today because we have a 50% discount. And I don't know at what point you'll be able to watch this video, but go below and you'll be able to see the current discount that we are having. And guys, I promise you, this is not like any other course. This is a combination of different strategies that we all need to grow our businesses online, updated current strategies that every business owner out there needs to know. You will get lifetime access, and I'll be updating this course every week. So I'm so excited that you stopped by to check out on this, and I hope to see you on the inside.